Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So I shared with you in my last video that I actually am vegan now. The way that I learned how to be vegan, the way I learned a lot of the recipes that I've been cooking is from YouTube. So I thought I'd just share some of the ones that I've been learning with you. One of the first recipes, and easy and super delicious. Everything that I've tried has been so good. Except for I failed at the cauliflower bites a couple of times, but that's neither here nor there, is sweet potato waffles. They are so good. They're so simple. I can't even believe how simple they are for how deliciously and nutritiously good they are. My kids like them, love them. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started on how to make vegan sweet potato waffles.
Well, can I show?
Yeah, go ahead.
Looks like this. It's yummy.
Because I get a lot of questions on whether my kids eat my vegan food, if they like it. Everything that I've made, they've eaten and they like that they've told me. So yeah, let's get started.
We're gonna start by putting some water in a pot to boil. We're gonna add in some nutmeg, cinnamon, and vanilla.
And we're gonna dump some brown sugar in there.
I don't know if the brown sugar actually does anything, but it seems right. Then we're gonna mix that all together and set it to high to boil. Next, we're gonna go in and wash our potatoes. And then we're going to place our freshly washed potatoes in the hot water. We're going to top it so it boils a little bit quicker. And we're just going to boil them until they get mushy. You can take a fork and poke them every once in a while. I think I boiled mine for like an hour, 45 minutes, something along those lines. I can't really remember. Just until they're mushy. It might take a while if you got big potatoes. I know, I need my nails done. Mind your business. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and peel these potatoes. I love this part of the process. It's so satisfying to peel. It comes off so easily. And if you want added nutrition, you can actually leave those peels in there. I didn't this time, but I'm definitely going to do that next time. The skin of the sweet potatoes have so much nutrition. And then we're just going to mush these potatoes all together. If you have kids, they would love to do this part. It is so fun. And you can actually add more seasonings at this point. The cinnamon, nutmeg, vanilla, brown sugar, whatever you got in your cabinet you think would make these taste delicious. I didn't. And now we're going to go ahead and add some flour. I don't have exact measurements. I use chickpea flour in the first part of this. And then I actually go in with bleached white flour right there. And I don't have an exact measurement, like I said, but you just want to get it kind of a doughy consistency. And just keep adding flour until you get that consistency. You'll know when it's right. I have faith in you. And then we're going to stick it into our waffle maker. Make sure you spray your waffle maker with a non-stick of some sort, because these boys stick like crazy. And then just kind of cook them until they get a nice firm texture. I'm now chopping up the banana to top the waffles. It goes so well with the sweet potatoes. If you want to, you can make a little puree. Just put the banana in a bowl, take something and pound it down, and put some cinnamon in that boy. And oh my gosh, it's so good. Banana and cinnamon go so well together with sweet potatoes. And now I'm just topping it with powdered sugar. And then I'm going in with the cinnamon. Like I said, those flavors just work so miraculously well together. And then I've got a little bit of agave I'm topping it with. That's not necessary, but if you want. And there's the finished product, baby. These are so good. I'm telling you, like, I don't even like. like sweet potatoes like that, but they're bomb.com.
I want to eat these so bad. I'm gonna eat this because it's so delicious.
That's pretty much it. That's all. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to my channel and like this video.
It's good.
With the cinnamon on the banana, that's so good.
Another bite.